Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you on how to set pending buy orders or pending sell orders here in MT5. Now the standard way of setting pending order is that you have to click this button right here, new order, and then you have to choose pending order right here, and then choose the different types of pending order. We have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. And if you're a beginner, this will be quite a hassle for you, right? It's hard to follow every steps here. Now, I created a simple way of setting pending buy orders or pending sell orders. Now, this is what I call Zentral Trading Manager, and this is best for beginners. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin if the price reaches this level right here, okay? So all I need to do is just to click pending buy, okay, and a green line would appear here, and all I need to do is just to drag it at around here, okay. So let's say I want to set up my pending buy order here. All I need to do is to confirm. It says here apply buy, okay, so click this one to confirm, and there you have it. We are now done creating our buy stop order. You don't have to tell the system whether it's a buy limit, sell limit. You don't have to do that. Next, let's say we want to set up our buy order again. Okay, set pending order. Let's say we want to set our order right here. Okay, we will buy gold if the price reaches to around these levels right here. All I need to do again is to click apply buy to confirm. There you have it. As what you can see, it created our buy stop order. And if you're going to look at this one, this is a buy limit order. You can see it right here as well. So you don't have to choose anymore. So the system is now smart enough to identify whether it's a buy stop or buy limit. You don't have to choose it by yourself. Next is, let's say we want to sell gold if the price reaches to around this area. Okay, so all we need to do is click pending sell, and again place it according to your preference. Let's say at around here. Then all you need to do is to confirm apply pending sell. There you go. So your sell order has been created. Next, let's do that again. Apply pending sell. There you have it. You can also put it right here. Okay, so apply pending sell. There you have it. Okay, so as what you can see, it's very easy to set up your pending sell or pending buy orders rather than doing the manual way of setting up pending orders right here. Okay, so it will save you a lot of time, especially if you want to set your pending orders quickly. And if you're going to make this bigger, and as what you can see here, our EA also placed your orders properly, whether it's a sell stop, sell limit, buy stop, or buy limit. Okay, you don't have to do it on your own. Our Zentral Trading Manager will do it for you. Alright, so that is how you're going to set up your pending orders. And let's say you want to cancel all your pending orders. All you need to do is just to click this button right here, cancel pending, and look at what will happen. There you have it. Okay, so no more pending orders. Alright, so that's it. Again, if you want to purchase Zentral Trading Manager, all you need to do is just to find the yellow basket right here, or to look for the MQL5 market right here. Okay, and then all you need to do is just to type it here, Zentral Trading Manager. Here you go, and then you can now buy it for $50. Alright, so that's it. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.